Hi, I'm Dr. Abhay Bhave. I'm a hematologist and I practice in Mumbai, in Global Hospital in Parel and Leelavati Hospital in Bandra. While we have gone to the Mars and have come back, we are still fighting with the problem of iron deficiency anemia. Unfortunately, iron deficiency anemia in most of the communities all over the world, that is, it's a global problem, persists despite many efforts from our past many years. Therefore, to discuss more on iron deficiency anemia, how to manage it, what should be our strategy, what are the causes, what are the therapies, how do we prevent, what is its impact on our community, will be discussed by me on the 20th of November. Please do join me with the help of Shalina Healthcare and DocMode, which is giving us the platform logistics. I look forward to seeing you then. So, bye till then.